Hey all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS College of Engineering. So the topic or the course which I am taking is deep learning. The first unit that is held for this 6th semester in deep learning is introduction. I am going to take a topic which is related to introduction to deep learning. So now when we take and when we go through like what is deep learning, we have come across several terminologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So these three are correlated to one another and one another has its own values which matches each and everything. So now let's see what is deep learning is. So deep learning is a subfield of machine learning that deals with algorithms inspired by the structure and function of the brain. So I'll explain you in detail like how deep learning has been arrived. So the first thing is the first process which was evolved was the algorithms in which we have to determine different kind of process. So in that artificial intelligence plays the major role. So now what is this artificial intelligence? It is the ability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. So now the machine learning is the application of AI that allows a system to automatically learn and improve from the experience. So deep learning is something which is a derivative of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So when you take artificial intelligence, it has certain properties that it can initiate or it can interact with both. The interactions between the human being and the machine plays a role. Machine learning is something that where you have to automatically does it and improve it in an efficient manner based on the different kinds of algorithms. But in deep learning, which is subfactor of machine learning, it actually does some of the complex algorithms that is related to the problems that you are giving. Okay. Now what do we need and why do we need deep learning is the deep learning performs huge amount of data. It processes huge amount of data. The next thing is it performs complex algorithms. Next is to achieve the best performance with larger amount of data. The next thing is feature extraction. So now whenever you take previously in machine learning also it has the same process. First what you have to do is you have to process the data. Next you have to perform those datas with the different kinds of algorithms that is provided. Next is you have to achieve or you have to come to a conclusion or to get the best performance from those larger amount of data. The next thing is the feature extraction. It's nothing but the first thing is you will have to get the data. Next you will apply the algorithm for the data. Next what is that you will choose the best from which you want to use it. Now the next thing is feature extraction. Feature extraction is a kind of machine learning algorithm that extracts the patterns based on labeled sample data, while deep learning algorithm takes larger volumes of data as inputs, analyze the inputs to extract features out of an object and identifies a similar object, right? Now where do we use and what are all the applications of deep learning is applications is right in a very vast manner. We apply deep learning in every field. Okay, now there are some factors which I have listed below. They are fraud detection, customer service, financial service, natural language processing, facial recognition, self-driving vehicle, predicative analysis, recommended systems and industries. Now so this deep learning was actually based on and it actually came under the functionalities of neuron, right? So now what is this neuron? It can be just like a small ant or small microorganism or kind of organ which is actually placed in our brain, right? So what is this neuron? So neuron is actually the functionality of what we have to think and how we have to think and how we have to react based on it. So this deep learning is based on the process of a human brain called as a neuron. Initially it was found based like this. So neuron has different particles like dendrite, cell nucleus, axiom, synapse. Okay. Now, so this is how neuron actually works, and these are the parts of how the process is being executed. So to be in a very precise manner, deep learning is also based on the functionalities of a human brain. Let's understand like how it has been evolved and how it is actually correlated with the neural networks. So in the next video we will see like how this neuron actually works and what is the actual process, how neurons and neural networks is correlated with. So I hope that you understood the topic, and in the next video we will continue this topic with some better explanation. As of now, thank you. Have a good day.